so disappointed. Look at this. They got my shit over here charging up. I was sitting down here for about 3 weeks, man. I couldn't even get the work done to it. I'm so disappointed. I gotta find a whole new shop to take it to, just 'cause I want to get these lower control arm mounts. Y'all can see down here, right at the floor pan right here, I have some rust. So I want to get it reinforced, re-welded. It's so hard to find a good shop out here these days, like somebody you can trust, who can do some good work. That's why I be doing everything myself. That's why I've been in my driveway doing this stuff, this DIY stuff myself, man, because who else can you trust but yourself? You know what I mean? Take it somewhere else, you get this right here. Your car come back dusty, they don't do nothing to it, battery dead. It's crazy. And he over there running his mouth. Support. Disappointing. Yeah, man, so I'm out here riding. But I'm mad though, cause my car still ain't fixed yet. I couldn't get my welding work did because it took my car in, had it for about 3 weeks and never did get to it. Which makes no sense to me. And my car is so dusty. I'm mad, dog. He got my car so dusty from sitting there for 3 weeks. This car only had one car wash since I painted it, so, you know, I'm about to go spray her down real quick. I'm pissed. I'm out here on the road, I ain't even straight yet. Hold on, man, y'all stay tuned in. See if I can find me a little car wash so I can go spray this boy off. Look how dirty my boy is, man. Oh my goodness, you can't even really tell, but it's so dirty. I just rescued my boy from the shop. Guy had me held up for 3 weeks, ain't even get to it, ain't do nothing to my car. I don't understand it, man. If you can't do a job, don't take it in. Don't overbook yourself. Don't, you know, take in jobs you can't get to. I don't understand it. Now I'm behind on my deadline on behalf of somebody else and they BS. You know what I mean? That's why I do jobs myself, man. That's why I do all the work myself in my own driveway. You can't trust nobody else. Can't rely on nobody else, man. It's crazy out here. Anyway, let me go and get this boy sprayed off a little bit. Over here, you want to do it yourself car wash. You feel me? No drive through, man. I'm gonna spray it off myself. So today's a new day. I done found me a new shop to go to, so hopefully I'll have some luck with these guys. Look at my little 305. It ain't got no horsepower, but it run good, baby. Anyway, come on, man, let's get to it. All right, so I'm down here at the new welding shop. I just spoke with the dude. Went over everything I wanted to have done or needed to have done, and he sounds pretty confident that he knows what he's doing. So I feel good about that. This is my last step. Once you get this done, I'm on the road, baby. These damn unibodies, man, they something else. Had I known, I probably wouldn't even have brought this car. I don't know, man, but I just want to get my frame strengthened up a little bit. By those floor pans being kind of weak how they was, and I'm putting these 24-inch rims on here. I want to make sure this frame don't twist up on me. So, you know, it's the whole point of me being down here. I promise y'all, this is the last stage right here, man. The wheels going back on, and then I'm gonna need my ball joints fixed still. I ain't forget about that, but the wheels going back on. I'm gonna start showing everybody how this whole project look. So y'all stay locked in for that. Yeah, man, so the car ready now. I'm coming to pick the boy up. He got me together. It only took him 1 day, and we already good. See what I be saying? You just gotta find the right guy. The right guy for the job. Now look at that. See how he reinforced my control arm mounts? You guys can see that. Everywhere you see that black, like that good and brand new black spray plate and that black metal, that's reinforcement. I had a little rust down there. It had me a little scared. It was kind of loose. I was scared it might break loose from that rocker down there. So he got me reinforced now, so we good. Throw the wheels on. Okay, so you can get a better view now what I had to have welded with the wheel off. So if you see this right here is all new. This is a reinforced. He basically fabricated this whole little setup right here. All this is metal. Because if you remember in one of my other videos, my prep for 24s part 2, I believe, you said I had a bunch of rust up in here. And when I installed my new lower control arms to the mounts, so I can get a good shot. This is the control arm mounts right here, where this big screw go through at, and it was so rusty up in here. Can you see that? It was so rusty up in there that mount didn't look like it's gonna be secure, like stable enough to have any weight on there. So I was scared to put my rims on with that rust being like it was. So he basically did a whole new rocker rebuild down here for me. The whole support. He went all the way down and he welded back to the floor pan, because this mount ties to your floor pan on these Camaros, which are so stupid. But so he fixed the rocker, retied it to the floor pan, and he installed this bracket right here on my rocker corner. See how strong this is? Like, oh, this is solid metal right here. So now I'm reinforced. I was afraid to put that weight on there. The way that rust was built up in here, I didn't want to have that weight with these big wheels, these big ass 24s, and then all that rust. I ain't trust it. So now I've been throwing my ground effect back on, throw the wheels back on, and we out here, baby. Let me get to it.
Going, you know, got gone.
Got my guy Mark down here at Mark's Welding. He did my reinforcement for me on my lower control arms. Did a good job, man. I really appreciate that.
No problem.
You know what I mean? I need some good welding work. Come down here and see this guy right here. It took me about a year to get into you.
Sorry, man.
But it was worth it. It was worth it, man.
We've been turning down stuff all week with the weather break.
I understand.
How's your ride?
Great. A little rub.
It's gotta be rough.
A little rub on the back, but not bad. I do a lot of trimming and cutting. 24-inch wheels.
Yeah, that looks real good.
Yes, sir.
He said it just barely cleared back there.
Only, yeah. If I hit a bump, it might rub a little bit. Like, it's not nothing to really worry about.
Just like that in the back.
Exactly. Like, nobody in the back seat at all. None of that.
You make it rub, you gotta go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's
It.
the same car.
Yeah. He
What
did
a difference, just the wheels.
The wheels,
Said he
big
painted
difference.
this in his garage.
A one-car garage.
You did it?
I did it. Yes, sir. I did all the work. The suspension, the brakes, front and back.
Boy.
Look at him. Yes, sir.
Damn.
Sitting on them foes, my guy.
That really look good, nigga.
I told you, boy. This is what I do right here, man. I put shit together, boy. See all that custom work, man. The brakes, suspension down there, the front shit, nigga. Everything.
Real good.
All right, so let's do a real quick recap. So to get these 24s on, I had to take an inch out of this inner fender well right here on both sides. And in the back, I had to beat this in, this area right here. I just beat it in with a hammer until I had clearance so I can get full turn. And that's on both sides again. That's the front passenger and driver side. And then inside my rear, I don't think I had to do any kind of trimming on the front, like in this front tire area, but on the back side, Not this side. Okay, so it's the passenger side. You know what? In the corner, right behind where this tire would be at, it kind of rubbed the body a little bit. I did take a hammer and kind of beat that in a little bit. That's where the back seat area is. So just know that. And then right here on this side, it did rub this trunk area. So I had to beat this in a little bit. And same thing in this corner on the front side of the back. So basically just be prepared to beat these fenders in and beat these quarter panels in a little bit to get this clearance you're gonna need. But it'll be worth it. You know, I'm riding good, man. I got full turn. It rubs a little bit because of that welding work I had did on my lower control arm mounts, but it's not too bad. I got like 35 pounds of pressure in my rear shocks. I probably could put a little more air in them, but I ain't really worried about it. If I hit a big bump, that's the only time I hear a little rubbing, or maybe when I turn a little bit, but that's it. Nothing to really complain about. So anyway, like I said, this is my last video for the most part, putting work in on the car. I still gotta install my ball joints, but otherwise I'm gonna start showing the car to people. So you will see these wheels on my next video. All right, I got a little more audio work to put in, but I'm gonna go ahead and show the car off, man, because we pretty much done with it. So stay tuned in for my giveaway details. Like I said, giveaway starts at 500 subscribers. So first place, second place, third place will be drawn. I'm still trying to decide what the prizes may be. It may be some Skar audio equipment. I'm thinking about that. A gift card may be in play. You know, I gotta think about it. So stay tuned in, stay locked in. So y'all know what time it is, man. Like I always say, like this video, leave a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff, y'all already know. And stay locked in. Next video, I'm gonna show the wheels, I'm gonna show the whole car. Go ahead and get this boy out here. So lock in. Thanks for watching this video.